commissions free? Sure, until the hidden costs show up. Today, we're ranking the top 5 Forex brokers for people in Europe using our own testing and scoring. You'll see where costs really live, what's safe, and which trade-offs actually matter once you start clicking the buy button. Welcome to the BrokerChooser YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm Adam Nasli, head analyst at BrokerChooser. In this video, you will see my digital twin who will share my message. But don't worry, every message and test are done by me and my team, real people.
At BrokerChooser, we don't just copy brochures. Every broker we cover is rated against 600 plus data points using a transparent and consistent process. We open real accounts, deposit our own money, place real trades, and test withdrawals. If a claim sounds magical, we verify it. If a fee isn't crystal clear, we place a live order to specifically test it. Before diving deep, here is how you can choose under a minute. If you want a refined platform and the widest FX pair coverage, pick Saxo. If you want the lowest trading costs, start with Fusion Markets or Global Prime. If you want cheaper trades than Saxo, but still want a better platform than most, look at Hantec. Now let's go into more details. Let's start by how our ranking model works, so you can see what's behind our picks. First, there's a hard gate. Every broker in this video has at least one top-tier regulatory license. If that box isn't ticked, they're not on the list. Simple. Next, we look at trading costs. We calculate fees based on real orders. So if a broker claims to be commission-free, but hides costs in wider spreads or high financing rates, rest assured, we catch it. Finally, the brokers on our list offer a broad selection of currency pairs, low or no withdrawal fees, and consistently strong client service. Alright, now let's get to the picks. Saxo. If you want best overall, this is the one to beat. Saxo has competitive fees, though not the absolute cheapest. They provide top-tier currency selection with 190 pairs. So if you run strategies that hop between majors, minors, and the occasional exotic, you won't hit a wall. They offer free withdrawals, deep research and charting, as well as top-of-the-league trading platforms like the Saxo Trader Go and the more advanced Saxo Trader Pro. Big plus? Saxo is a great overall broker, so you can easily branch out into stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, and many more assets without leaving the ecosystem. So if you value a smooth day-to-day experience, excellent service, and room to grow, and you're willing to accept still low, but not the absolute lowest fees, Saxo may be the right choice for you. Fusion Markets. If your love language is low cost, Fusion might be your match. Spreads are tight and even can drop to zero, and both commission and financing rates are low. Fusion offers access to a wide range of currencies, but it doesn't quite stand out among the very best. Withdrawals for international transfers aren't free. They cost $20 Australian. Integrated trading platforms include MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as cTrader and TradingView. The appeal here is straightforward. You're not paying for fanfare, and you should do most of your research elsewhere. If that's what you're after, Fusion can be a solid choice. Global Prime. Global Prime is another broker with excellent trading fees but a few compromises. Spreads can drop to zero, commissions are low, and financing rates are highly competitive. The selection of currency pairs is somewhat limited by top-tier standards, though withdrawals are free. The platforms that can be used include MetaTrader 4 and 5, and on the upside, the charting tools are above average. Another no-frills Forex broker that delivers great service and rock-bottom fees. Hantec Markets. If you're after commission-free trading, Hantec comes as close as it gets on our list. While its spreads and financing rates aren't the lowest available, overall trading costs remain one of Hantec's key strengths. They also offer an impressive range of currency pairs, even by top-tier standards. You can trade on Hantec's proprietary platform, as well as on MetaTrader 4 and 5, though neither platforms stand out with quality or the available research tools. Withdrawals are free, but there's a minimum deposit of $10, and a monthly inactivity fee of $5 is applied after 6 months without trading, deposits, or withdrawals. If you plan to trade actively, though, these shouldn't put you off. Hantec offers excellent conditions for Forex trading. IC Markets. Last on our top list is IC Markets, another great Forex broker with low fees. Spreads again are good, and can be as low as zero, while commissions and financing rates are competitive too. The selection of currency pairs is somewhat limited against the competition, but withdrawals are free. Their own desktop and mobile platforms do not stand out, but integration possibilities include MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as cTrader and TradingView. IC has a minimum deposit of $200, which is the highest on our top list, but it shouldn't be a turnoff for those looking for a reliable Forex broker. Here are some quick bridges, so you pick well. Bridge 1. Fees versus features. Rock bottom fees are great, right up until you need more advanced charts. If you place a lot of trades, Fusion or IC Markets will often win the math. If you value research depth and charting quality, Saxo can earn its keep by saving you time on every decision. Bridge 2. Range versus focus. If your strategy moves from euro-dollar to a minor, like euro-British pound, then occasionally into a more unusual pair, Saxo's around 190 pairs are hard to beat. If you live in 2 or 3 majors and never leave them, the lower-cost names shine as well. Bridge 3. Overnight is not pocket change. We monitor financing rates closely, because if you hold positions overnight or over weekends, they can quietly bite into your P&L. For swing traders, these costs can easily outweigh the difference between a 0.4 and a 0.6 spread. So check them. Please, your future self will thank you, and your past self will wonder why you didn't start sooner. Bridge 4. Friction. We follow withdrawal fees for a reason. Free deposits are cute. The cost of getting your money out is the real test. Before moving on, check the 5-minute checklist we prepared for you. Do it before picking any Forex broker, and you'll set yourself up for a solid choice. The 5-minute checklist. Confirm the legal entity you're onboarding with and the regulatory protection attached to it. Everyone in this video clears our top-tier bar, which is why they're here. Write down your all-in for your main pair. Typical spread, plus any per-lot commission, plus overnight financing if you hold. Do it for euro-dollar, then your personal pair. Yes, with a pen. Check withdrawals, fees, limits, and currencies. If your base currency and deposit currency don't match, ask about conversion. Verify platform fit. If you need crisp charting and rich tools, Saxo feels right. If your edge lives on price, Fusion or Global Prime make more sense. Security setup. If you trade on mobile and you need 2-factor authentication on the app, make sure your pick supports it. If not, decide whether your desktop plus device security is good enough. Place one tiny live trade during your normal hours. Check slippage, stability, and how the platform feels under pressure. If it passes the small test, scale gradually. Final word on how we think. A great Forex broker starts with safety and regulation, then earns your business with low commissions, tight spreads, fair financing, and a broad pair selection, so your strategy isn't boxed in. It shouldn't nickel and dime you on withdrawals. And beyond price, the details matter: charting, research, usability on desktop and mobile, and order execution. We test all of that ourselves, with real money. So you don't have to find out the hard way that zero commission just means surprise, wider spread. If you want a head-to-head on 2 of these, say Fusion versus IC on euro-dollar overnight costs, drop your main pair in the comments and we'll build that matchup. Your money deserves data, not promises. So why not subscribe to BrokerChooser's YouTube channel? See you in the next video.